What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vlog.
We trust our minds when they're telling lies. Can you see what I'm not saying through my eyes? All I know is love.
What's up, you guys? So I have an event today. I'm about to go drop off all this food in Davenport. Yeah, I made so much food. Like, of course, I'm going to show you guys what I made. But warning, I made so much food. So go get a snack. Okay, go get something to drink, something. This is gonna take a little bit, okay, for me to show you everything that I made. So this is what I made for my event today.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Yeah, does that not look so good? Okay, all right, so right now I'm at Publix. Ronnie went inside to go get something real quick. As soon as he gets out, as soon as he comes back, we're gonna go drop off all this food. And then I just have a couple things to do today. Of course, I will be taking you guys along with me. I have my dog here, y'all. we tried to leave her home and she freaking made a mess in the house. That's gonna be another story time, but she is not ready to be left alone for a long periods of time yet, and I don't really believe in the cages and stuff, so she doesn't have one. I'm actually thinking about getting one because y'all, I cannot do the mess. But anyway, Brooklyn's right here, on point, looking at everybody. She is on point, y'all. Okay, I made so much food. Everything looks good. I wish I would have took out a plate for me, but I didn't because I'm starving. I'm hungry. Yo, this dog is always all over me. It's crazy. Like, she really loves me. I'm just rambling now. I'm just waiting for Ronnie to come out so we could go drop this food off and start our day. So, you guys, while we're waiting, let me show you the package that I had waiting when I left out today. I had a package from Dossier. I'm so excited. You guys, I just love their perfume. So these are the two that I got this month. I got another Ambery Saffron. This one is inspired by the Baccarat Rouge 540. It really smells just like it. And then this one is inspired by the YSL Black Opium. You guys know I have that too. And this one smells just like it. And what I love about these perfumes are they're not super alcohol-y. They do have natural oils in them, so they do stay on your skin. They don't just evaporate super fast. They really stay with you throughout the day. So this is what they look like. Very bomb packaging. The tops are magnetic, which I super love about that. And yeah, I can't wait to add these to my collection. This one I'm going to actually put in my car. That's why I got two now. Okay. They both smell super good. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. So you guys, go head over to Dossier's website. They have all kind of fragrances for both men and women. All of their fragrances are quality and they will last all day. There's so many different options. Very affordable. And yeah, definitely a good buy. Go try some. Use my promo code and get some money off your purchase. He needs to come out. Okay. He's supposed to only go in there for one thing. Why is it taking him so long? Come on now. Look who decides to bless us with their presents.
It's your boy Jay. Holla at me.
Do some hand sanitizer. You had a shopping cart? Alright, y'all. So now, let's roll. Alright, y'all. So we're about to drop this food off right now. We are, like, almost there. Okay. Let's do what we got to do.
What are you going to?
Going down. So right now, you guys, we are on our way to CVS to go do our COVID test. We're about to go out of town, and we have to get tested before we go out of town. So we've done this like a million billion times, but let's do it again. So yeah, we're pulling up to the CVS Minute Clinic. That's where me and Ronnie and I are about to go do our COVID test. The way they do it here, it's like a drive-through one, and you pretty much do it yourself. They have the nurse like on the other side of the window, and she tells you how to do it, but we've done it so many times, we have it like down packed already. So pretty much Ronnie and I are about to do our COVID test real quick in the car. There's 2 cars ahead of us, so when it gets to be our turn, we're gonna do it. Alright, y'all, so now it's 1 car ahead of us. We are next. Let's get it. You ready to get tested, Ronnie? How many times have we done this already? 10 times? Has it been 10 times already? We've been tested a lot, y'all. By the grace of God, we've been negative every single time. Okay? And there goes the dog. Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Hey. Yeah, you guys, Brooklyn has a pet sitter now. She's so sweet, a young girl. And Brooklyn loves her. So And now she's gonna be at the sitter when I have stuff to do. That's you. I'm talking about you. She likes it, right? We left her there with her overnight when we went to Georgia, and she did pretty good.
Yeah.
She did pretty good. It's starting to rain, y'all. I don't know what's taking this car so long. Like, this test is 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's leaving now? Alright, pull up, baby. Take the test, and then when you're done, you put in that little white box, and you drive off. Easy peasy. Alright. Okay, that's the nurse right there.
I missed the first number.
255.
I'm like, wait a minute, I only wrote down 6 numbers. That's not gonna work. Have you all tested before?
Yeah.
So you remember how to do it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Give me just a moment. Well, I don't know if that's awesome or not, but
Well, you know.
give me just a minute to get your kits together, and I'll send them out. Okay?
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, yeah, our tests are on the way. Let's get it together because I am hungry. I want to go home and cook. Yeah, I'm doing this thing where I'm like drinking protein shakes throughout the day and eating once a day. And like, I am still not used to it because I am starving. I feel like I'm starving. I'm ready to eat. I'm so hungry. So, we need to get this going so I could go and cook some food. All that food that I made for everybody else, and I didn't even take a plate out for me. Like, I never do. Every time after I do catering events, I be hungry. I'm hungry, starving. Like, I never take food out for me. It's crazy.
Okay.
Okay.
If you have any questions, just hit the button.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
So here is this one mine? You gotta look for the name. Alright, so this one is mine. You see my name. Let's do it. So Ronnie's going first. Switch it around, 15 seconds, then do the other nostril. Get up in there. So there's the little specimen jar, and then you put the tube in, the toothpick, Q-tip in, and then you put it back in the pouch, you roll it up, put it inside the paper, roll it up, and then put it in that box. Alright, now it's my turn.
Nice and deep there.
It is. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh. Alright, so I just put the Q-tip in here in the solution. I'm gonna put the top on, put it in the bag, and then put it in there. Alright, so we just put it in the box. We just finished hand sanitizing. Okay, now let's roll. Wow, it's really starting to rain. I was thinking about going to get my hair washed instead. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Why you laughing, yo? The last time, I spent money to do my hair. The last time it lasted me, what, 2 days? Even 2 days? But it's like a necessary evil because you have to take care of your hair even under like the wigs, the ponytails. You have to still make sure your hair is nice and healthy too. Like, some people will treat their wigs and weaves and whatever better than they treat their own hair, and that's crazy. So even if it didn't last, I still got my hair washed and stretched out and deep conditioned, and I got my ends trimmed. But this humidity here, it doesn't last at all in my hair. My hair is super wavy. Can you tell? You can't even really tell. You can't even really tell right now, but my hair, can you tell? I don't know. You can't really tell right here. Can you see? Anyway, my hair is super wavy, super full of life, so it reverts back really fast. It is what it is. So right now, we are at the park. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, go ahead, baby, drive. We're about to let the dog run out and run around and play. Okay, it's kind of wet out here, so we're going to see how this goes. Y'all, it is so beautiful over here. Do you see this? Gorgeous. See the palm trees? It's beautiful. This lake right here is filled with alligators, y'all. We have seen so many alligators in here. It's crazy. So we keep the dog like over here in this area. But this, y'all, there's so many gators in here. Right, Papa? There's so many gators. Alright, so we're gonna let the dog run around, let her get some exercise. Maybe me get some exercise too. Alright, come on, mamas. Come on, mama. Run, mamas. Come here, mama. Brooklyn.
Come here, come here.
Come, mamas. Where'd she go? Man, she be running so far. I can't even see her.
Come here.
Where is she?
Hey. Brooklyn.
Good girl. Good girl, mamas. Yo, she running so fast. Good girl, mama. Good girl. Yo, you guys, look at how beautiful this spot is right here. This is like one of my favorite spots. Isn't it beautiful? I love it here. Alright, you guys, so I just got home. I'm about to make some dinner. I'm about to make some steak, mashed potatoes, some of this cream spinach. Of course, I can make the cream spinach from scratch, but I'm tired, okay? I'm about to put this dinner together real quick. It's gonna be bomb. I found some nice, beautiful ribeyes. Look at these. Nice and thick. Alright, this is gonna be good. Here are my mashed potatoes. And here are my beautiful steaks. Alright, I'm about to plate up. Y'all eat, take a bath, and go to bed. Beautiful. And here is dinner, you guys. Look at that. Beautiful, gorgeous, delicious. Okay. Yum. Bon appetito.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.
All right.